Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the incoming call on the iOS 14 with no caller ID screen. So this is an incoming call that has no caller ID. So there you have it. That's on iOS 14. So on iOS 14 incoming call, and this is the default reflection ringtone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.